Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm just showing a review of the Bug Zapper replacement bulb lights. It is a 10 width. It's for 20 width electric Bug Zapper T8 bulbs. So as you can see, this is the one that I use and it fits perfectly as a replacement. It comes in 4 and it's easy to put in. As you can see from my pictures, you turn it until it lines up. You see it lines up with the hole and you just pull it out the same way you take it out. You put the same thing in. See how that piece there lines up. You put it in, then you turn it clockwise and just turn it. Here a few little clicks, and then turn it on and you'll see that it works. So you see how I'm turning it just a little bit there. If it doesn't work, just wait 15-20 minutes and then try it again, because the first time I did this, one worked, the other one did not. So I waited for like 15-20 minutes, then turned it a little bit more, then test again, didn't work, turned it a little bit more, then replugged it, and then it worked. So it's pretty easy to put in. It's easy to pull down on the little cage thing to open. I like this product. It usually lasts for a long time. And like I said, I purchased it before and it's great as a replacement bulb. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.